If you're experiencing account sync issues in Apex Legends, follow these steps to resolve the problem. This guide will help you ensure your account is properly linked and synced across platforms. Step 1. Check account linking. Visit the official Apex Legends website and log into your account. Ensure that your gaming platform accounts like PlayStation, Xbox, or Origin are properly linked to your EA account. Step 2. Verify platform status. Check the status of the gaming platform you are using. Sometimes server issues or maintenance can cause sync problems. Visit the platform's status page or social media for updates. Step 3. Restart the game. Close Apex Legends completely and restart it. This can refresh your connection to the servers and may resolve temporary sync issues. Step 4. Clear cache. For console players, clear the cache by turning off your console, unplugging it for a few minutes, and then restarting it. For PC players, you can clear the cache by restarting the Origin or Steam client. Step 5. Contact support. If the issue persists, reach out to EA support for assistance. Provide them with detailed information about your account and the sync issue to help them resolve it quickly. By following these steps, you should be able to fix your account sync issues in Apex Legends. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek further help from the support team.